Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who know me, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to share with you a few pieces of jewelry I added to my collection. If you're interested, keep on watching. To be honest with you, I didn't buy that many pieces of jewelry since last year, but I try to be careful. I don't want to just keep buying. And actually, I'm always, if you know me, if you follow me for a while, I'm one of those people. I don't feel, oh, okay, I'm going to go take a lunch. I'm going to buy a piece of jewelry. Oh, my sister bought that. I want to buy it. I love jewelry, and I buying it since I was a little girl, and I love jewelry. And always I believe in, if you buy jewelry, I want it to personally, I love to buy it for some reason, some occasion, some achievement, something like that. I go some specific place, I want to remember, and then I buy jewelry. And last year, and sometimes you make an excuse, you say, oh, I'm buying this, I want to pass it on to my children. I don't say anything wrong with that, but I'm not like that. I don't believe in that. But because, as you can imagine, since little girl, you just keep buying jewelry, and then by my age, you're gonna have lots of jewelry. Last year, I was watching, I was checking my jewelry box, and I was looking at it, and I realized, oh my gosh, I have so many pieces. And actually, I was gonna go to Florida, I think, and I was gonna take a few pieces to give it to my daughter. My daughter, she's a completely different personality in regards to fashion or jewelry. She loves, we have the same taste, but because of lifestyle, she has 2 little kids, and she's a busy mom. She's working full time. She doesn't have time for fashion or this kind of thing. And I was looking to give her a few pieces, and I see, my gosh, I have so many jewelry, and none of them is matched with her lifestyle, so I give it to her so she can use it day to day. And that's why I realized that. I decided to let go of lots of my jewelry, because I was thinking, if even I'm going to pass on all of these jewelry, I don't think she's going to use it. And I thought it's going to, she's just going to throw it in her drawer or somewhere. And that's why I was thinking, okay, lots of beautiful pieces, lots of beautiful designer, and I don't think she's going to use this jewelry. I decided to let it go. And I wasn't familiar how you can, sell your jewelry, especially some specific, brand. I'm not talking about Hermes, I'm not talking about Cartier. I'm talking about, okay, most of the jewelry I let go. Some Cartier, Hermes, Roberto Coin, Eppolito, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Lots of Gucci, fine jewelry, Gorhan. Anyway, but if not Cartier or Hermes, lots of people that are not familiar with those. And I believe in that. I'm telling the younger people, or people they start to create a jewelry collection. This is not investment. If you're buying the jewelry, yes, it's a money. If someday we need it, we can sell it very easily. But you're going to lose money. It doesn't matter, what kind of jewelry, especially come to diamond, it's you losing lots of money. But my belief, if I don't use them sitting in my drawer, better I let it go, and to just sitting in my drawer and I never using it. I'm sorry, I talk too much. I'm gonna show you the first piece. I bought it last year, and then continue talking. The first piece I bought, this Hermes bracelet, is a Jade, and I saw this, and I believe in that each person, they have a different style. That's the reason usually if I buy jewelry, I don't buy it because just I see somebody has it, or they look good, and then I buy it. Search, I take my time, and then I try, and I know my style. And always, even I tell my daughter or younger people when I talk about jewelry, I say, don't buy because based on, you know, somebody using it, and just, this is you, because otherwise we're buying it and then we realize we're not going to be happy if we're not going to use it. Anyway, when I saw this bracelet, and I know this is my style, especially because I wear black usually, and I thought this is beautiful piece. And then I'm going to bring it close to the camera. I bought it, I talked to my SA and she ordered it, she sent it to me, but when I saw it, to be honest with you, I was kind of shocked, because it's not so much jewelry, gold, and almost, I think it was $6,000, something like that. I thought, wow, it's too expensive for this, but because of the design. Another thing is, if you follow me for a while, you know I'm one of those people, I don't want to, you know, worry about my jewelry. I want to just using it all the time. And for this specific piece, I don't think I can wear it all the time. I bought it last year, but I used it maybe 3 or 4 times. First, because I'm worried because of the jade. I'm worried it's going to break. And then the lock, it's not something friendly, you know, one of those, you know, I'm going to bring it close to camera. I don't think it's going to be loose, but I don't think this is something I can use it all the time, day and night. But I'm going to now bring close. There's a black jade and the Hermes logo on it, and it's rose gold. And about the lock I was talking about is like this. It's strong, but you know what? I'm worried. But anytime I use it, I love it. And it's not that heavy. Okay, now I'm going to continue talking about how I sold, or how much I sold my jewelry. For Cartier and Hermes, it's not that hard. You can sell it, you know, like even real or anywhere. But for other one, even for Gucci and another brand, I wasn't sure. But I saw ad, you know, you can sell your used gold, but I know I'm going to lose lots of money. But as I said, I bought them years ago, and maybe, you know, I'm collecting jewelry for over 4 years. And I just Googled, I found some place, and I took few pieces, and then I liked the guy, feel comfortable, and of course they just weigh the gold and, you know, pay you based on that. But if you have a Cartier or Hermes, just a little bit more than just they weigh the gold, but you have to have the certificate, box, everything. To make a long story short, I sold lots and lots of gold, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have attached, you know, with these pieces, because for all of them I bought for some reason, or some specific place, or for some specific reason. And but after I sold them, I didn't miss them at all. And actually, even I get rid of my jewelry boxes, because I just kept few pieces of jewelry, the one I love, I use, and I'm so happy I get rid of that many jewelry, because first, it's not sitting there, I just keep look at them. Of course, I didn't use them, plus somebody else, they're gonna use them. And I'm getting older, even about my clothes, about my closet, everything. I don't want that much crowded. I don't want so many pieces, you know, even jewelry. And when I'm going to reach out to some piece of jewelry, I'm going to go out. Of course, I take my recent one, or the one I love and, you know, nicer. I'm not going to go to pieces I bought it 30 years ago. Maybe when I look at them, I like it and I remember something, but I'm happy I get rid of those. And after I sold all of those last year, and then I bought my Hermes watch, which is I made a video. If you didn't see it, I'm going to put link below. I think 2 weeks ago, I bought that watch and I love it. I'm happy. And then I bought another pieces, which is one of them in this necklace. And let me show you another one. And then a few weeks after I bought the bracelet, I went to New York and I was talking to my SA, and I said, I'm wondering, this this side has a necklace? She said, oh yes. Anyway, and I got the necklace. And again, this is not something you can wear it all the time, but it's it's my style and I love it, especially because now I have the bracelet and I love this piece. Maybe I wore it 3 times. The same design. It's a black jade and has Hermes logo, rose gold, and the lock exactly like that. But this is not something you can wear it all the time. And sometimes, a few times I got people made fun of this piece. They said, oh, what is that? Something black. But it's a match with my style. I like it. And I got this piece. And after selling that much jewelry, I thought I deserved to add few pieces. And then a few weeks ago, I decided to add another piece. And today I'm going to do the unboxing. Actually, this is real unboxing. I didn't open it. I didn't try it. I'm kind of nervous because of the sizing, because I wasn't sure what size should I get or what finger. It's a ring and from the same set, from the necklace and the bracelet. But let's open it and to try it together. Take it out of the box. This is the receipt. This is the care booklet or something, and this is the box. Come with the black box. I never see the string closely. Oh, I love it. Let me bring it close. I hope it's my size. I'm so worried. It's not that big because I was thinking bigger than that. Oh my gosh, sound very big. It's too big for me, even for this finger. Let me put it to this finger. Oh, it's very big. But that's okay, I'm gonna maybe put it here. And this is the another Hermes ring. Can you see it? This is rose gold. It's very light too. Oh, I was thinking this is move, but the turn, but it's not. Anyway. No, it's big, but even for this hand, because usually your right hand is bigger. It's too big for me, but that's okay. Maybe I'm going to keep it. Especially, sometimes I swelling and maybe better to have a little bit loose. And usually I have a hard time to get my finger size. And for this kind of a style, you cannot even resize it. But I love it. At least, it's match. I'm not a very matchy person, but I think for this specific style, it's not bad to match, maybe just the ring with the necklace. But yes, and this is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question in regards to pricing or anything, please put down below and definitely I will get back to you. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. You make me happy and encourage me to make more video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day or night. Bye.